Good day everyone, I'm Bernard J. Jason, a proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at University of Antique, Batch 2019. I am employed under Macro Asia Airport Services that caters Philippine Airlines. I was hired in the same year I graduated and I have been here for 5 years now. I am a passenger service agent or commonly known as ground crew at EBJ Airport here in Antique. University of Antique BSHRM program has molded me to become who am I today. The lessons and trainings I had for 4 wonderful years as a student has greatly contributed to my growth. Working in the hospitality industry is challenging and requires a lot of patience and skills in all aspects. But as I graduate of the University of Antique in this program, I was made confident and resilient. Of course, I also give huge credit to my professors who were excellent mentors to us. I really recommend University of Antique BSHM program to incoming college friends and acquaintances who are aiming to work in the hospitality industry in the future. Thank you.